Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We have a GWM Cannon that's had a bit of an accident, but that's all right. That's not too much of a concern for us. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this roller shutter. This is the OEM roller shutter we're taking off, and we're going to be fitting a steel canopy on this bad boy today. We'll go through the assembly, we'll go through the fitment, and we'll get right into it.
Cover my face with my hoodie on this cold road. Tryna break the bank till my pockets getting more growth. I know you see me coming up with these goals. Got me shows in the Gold Coast, but we don't post those. A young man living out his dream and then he goes home to pops having problems with his heart, and like he knows those moments that we got left are getting numbered. But he tells his son the world is in your hands, so you know he has to go pro. Make it a scene, give him what you believe. End of the day, you like me, not too far from the tree. And if you had a son and you were sick, you pushed for his dreams and wouldn't let yourself get in the way, whatever the means. I get it, I see it, but tell me, how can you choose between the thing that you love and the ones that love you? Just live your truth, cause to me you're living proof of what happens when you shoot to the stars and the moon. What dreams we may see, what may come and may be. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go, when the stars out, time to glow. As we live through the highs and lows. All my life I knew I had this coming. Zombies had me tore around the country. Ironic how the dead gave me a post. Break the mold, the kid turned into something. All those guys are number out the budget. Beast Coast, those my brothers, different mothers. R.I.P. my pops, he would've loved this. Blood don't always make someone your family. Thankful for the people that I'm stuck with. Got some friends that hold me down for nothing. So we live out every dream we told each other on the bumpy roads. That's just what it comes with. Make it to the top with the ones that I came up with, just so we could cross out everything that's on the bucket. Trevor, that's my brother, different mother. Both our daddies flying in the sky somewhere above us. Still so much to see that's undiscovered. Hope I get to see before they call my number. What dreams we may see, what may come and may be. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go, when the stars out, time to glow. As we live through the highs and lows. What dreams we may see, what may come and may be. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go, when the stars out, time to glow. As we live through the highs and lows.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of this GWM steel canopy. Very, very straightforward. We'll start from the outside. What do you got? You got a pair of these, what would you even call these? Rails, mounting rails, right? Rated up to 300 kilograms. It's got the brake light on the rear, pair of compression locks on each door, 3-side access, very, very straightforward. Come around, we'll show you guys the interior as well. Very, very straightforward. You can see all the OEM fitting points are utilized on the GWM Cannon steel canopy. You don't need to put any clamps onto it, which makes it very, very secure, especially considering that it is done off the tie down points as well. So you can load this one up to your heart's content. No more than 300 kilograms, not because it's a drama for the canopy, but because you'll start damaging your tub. Anyway, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.